Greetings from my bathroom. Here's a fun fact. Nobody, and I mean nobody, wants to clean the toilet. Nobody wants to do that. I am gonna try a new cleaning product new to me from Blueland that is gonna clean the toilet for me. I ordered these tablets. This is a many month supply. They come in these compostable bags and then you can just store the extra bags. Took them out of here. They come in like a nice container. They smell fabulous. They smell fabulous. No, they smell lemony. They smell really, really good. You just take one and throw it into the toilet bowl and let it do its thing. It smells really good, not like bleach and a traditional toilet bowl cleaner. It just smells really lemony and fresh. I'm just gonna let this sit in here for a little bit. You could get the scrubber and whiz it around if you wanted to, but I'm just gonna flush it down. Sparkly, shiny, clean. Follow GrownupDish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.